Keeping track of your training in TroopMaster is made very easy for you. As you can see here, Bob Mitchell, he has a little hazard sign beside his training. Now that means either something that he needs for his leadership position of Assistant Scoutmaster is missing or has expired. So let's take a look. Okay, he's missing course S24. So we can come in here and give him that course. And then the little hazard sign's gone. He's no longer missing the course for his leadership position. As you can see, there's a little check box there. Now let's just to take a look at this, let's go ahead and remove that course again. And then let's go run our training status details report. Now the training status details report will give us an overview of all of your adult leaders and if they're trained, partially trained, or not trained. And as you can see for Bob, the Assistant Scoutmaster position, he's partially trained and he's missing Scoutmaster specific because we just deleted that from his training. We can also see that several of our adults, their youth protection training has expired. James Osborne is one of them, so we'll take a look at him as well. So let's close this report. Open up Bob's screen again. And let's give him credit for that course again. Okay, so he has that course. He's fully trained. No issues with Bob anymore. Let's go take a look at Mr. Osborne. So you can see the same hazard sign, meaning something's wrong with his training. And he's missing Y01. He actually has it, it's just expired. So we can update the expiration on this. And it's no longer expired and he is no longer missing any courses that's required for his position. Although adult CPR has expired, he doesn't need that for his particular leadership position. You can also see on the grid here if they're trained or not trained. So everyone that's marked yes is fully trained. Everyone marked no, they're either partially trained or they're missing something. And ones without a yes or no, they don't have a position where it requires them to have any training. We also monitor training for your scouts. So we take a look at Jimmy Osborne. Something's wrong with his training. Now the only thing we really monitor with the scout training is if something has expired. So as you can see, he has an expired CPR course. And if we were to go back and run the training status details report, you would see that Bob Mitchell is now fully trained. He now has a date in for Scoutmaster specific. And James Osborne, he's fully trained as well. No more pound sign beside his youth protection training. In addition to our training status details report, we have a few other training reports as well. Let's take a look at those. So we have the training list report. Okay, so this is going to include all of your adults, the training courses they've taken, and it will also indicate if the course has expired. We have the training matrix report. Let's say, for instance, I've got an event coming up and I need to know who has adult CPR. Here's another CPR course. And let's see who has maybe first aid. This will generate a matrix style report with all of your adults and which one of those courses they have. And we also have the adults having needing award/training. So we can come in here, we can set it to all adults, or we can filter training. Let's say we want to see who needs Y01, and let's include scouts who need retraining. And since Y01 by default expires every 2 years, we're going to go back, we'll select today and just go back 2 years from now. This will give us everyone who needs retraining for Y01 based on a 2-year expiration date. So this is showing me everyone who either does not have the course or needs to be retrained as of 2 years ago. If I wanted to change that to see who needed retrained, since every 1 year, I can go back 1 year from today and click Generate Report. And it'll show me everyone that either does not have it or needs to be retrained as of 1 year ago. In addition to the reports, we also have a group credit option for training. We go to Adults, Group Credit, and Training. From here, you can select the course. You can put in a date that they took the course, select the individuals that completed the course on that date, and click Credit, and it will credit everyone that training course on that day.